Hello, in this session I'll be showing us how we can clone or duplicate our PowerApps application. Assuming these are the list of my application, assuming we want to duplicate this Likey app, what I'll do, I'll just click on the edit icon and it will get to open it for me. So probably you're working on an application and you want to duplicate so that you can just probably change colors or do other things with it, or you are working for a client and probably you got another offer and the application are actually similar. So one of the easiest way to do is just to clone or duplicate the application. All right, the better way to go about it is just to, all right, this is my application and the name is Likey app. So if you want to duplicate this or clone this, just go to your top right. You can see beside the publish icon, you can see this icon here, this drop down. You just click on it and you click on the save as. So once you click on the save as, the current name of the application is Likey app. So Likey app, so I'll just change it to Likey app demo. So once I save it as Likey app demo, then I click on the save and automatically it gets duplicated. So if it gets duplicated, so if you go to your apps now and you check, all right, got it, so override. So if I go back now, if I leave and go back, you would see that the app has been duplicated, so you can actually work. Let me refresh. Okay, you can see it now. Likey app demo, this is the original app, Likey app, and this is the duplicated app. You can see how easy it is to clone or duplicate your app. Please, if you derive value from this, just please subscribe, like and share. Thank you very much.